Calculate VO in the circuit in figure. We have to find this VO in this circuit. Solution. First we will redraw the circuit. Then let's assume the direction of current. Let's say this is current I1. This is current I2. This is current I3. And this is a reference node with 0 volt. And let's say this is voltage V1 and node 1. So we will apply KCL at node V1. So at node V1, summation of all the entering current at this node is I1 is equal to summation of all the leaving current. Leaving current is I2 plus I3. I2 plus I3. I1 is 12 minus V1 by 3. 12 minus V1 by 3 is equal to I2. I2 is V1 minus 0 by 8. V1 minus 0 by 8 plus I3. I3 is V1 minus 2VO. V1 minus 2VO by 6. So if we simplify this, it will be 12 by 3 minus V1 by 3 is equal to V1 by 8 plus V1 by 6 minus 2VO by 6. But this VO is equal to 3 into I1. 3 into I1. So 3 into I1 is, this I1 is 12 minus V1 by 3. 12 minus V1 by 3. So this will be 12 minus V1. VO is equal to 12 minus V1. So we will substitute this value in this equation. So this will be 4 minus V1 by 3 is equal to V1 by 8 plus V1 by 6 minus 1 by 3, and this VO will be 12 minus V1. 12 minus V1. Now this will be 4 is equal to V1 by 8 plus V1 by 6 minus 1 by 3 into 12 minus plus V1 by 3, and this V1 by 3 goes on right side, so it will be plus V1 by 3. So 4 is equal to, this will be 1 by 8 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 23 by 24. 23 by 24 V1, and this will be minus 4. So this 4 goes on right side, so this will be 4 plus 4, 8. 8 is equal to 23 by 24 V1. So therefore V1 is equal to 24 into 8 by 23. 24 into 8 by 23. 8.347. 8.347 volt. But we have to find this VO. So VO is equal to 12 minus V1. VO is equal to 12 minus V1. So this will be 12 minus 8.347. Therefore, VO is equal to 12 minus answer 3.652. 3.652 volt. For electrical and electronics engineering related questions and answers, visit the link in the description below.